10 plus 10 minus nothing. It will start giving rich auntie vibe. Hi guys, here's a part 2 of our how to look pretty, polished and put together. If you haven't seen the part 1, do well to go back and watch it because this is a continuation of the part 1. Okay, my name is Raamaa. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, subscribe. You guys are not commenting on my video and you're not liking. Why? I'm not your ex-boyfriend. I didn't do anything to you. If you're watching me right now, just leave a comment. Say something. Talk to me. Okay. And if you're a returning subscriber, oh my God, you already know you have a special place in my heart. enough. Okay. So let's just get into today's video. I know we all love to be treated well, right? You don't want to enter a place and they treat you like trash. No. So you don't have to look like trash. You have to look your best anytime you leave your house. You have to put your best foot forward. When you go to the bank, you trust them because they are well dressed. They are dressed up in suits, they look good, they smell good. You trust them to handle your money. Imagine you go to the bank and everyone in the bank is looking like trash. Trust me, you will not feel comfortable doing business with them. So looking good, is good for business. Okay, you don't have to leave your house looking like who did it and why, right? So today I'm going to share with you some tips that we can all incorporate into our lives to make sure that we are looking our best anytime we leave our homes. Yeah. Number 1 on the list is to declutter your wardrobe. I know we all have that feeling. You wake up in the morning, you're looking for what to wear for the day. You look into your wardrobe, you have a lot of stuff, but it feels like you don't have anything to wear. There are some clothes in your wardrobe that you haven't worn 6 months, 1 year. Please pack them, give them to charity. Okay, make space for new items. So in that case, you're able to tell what you have and what you don't have. Sometimes you have something in your wardrobe, but you go out there and you still buy similar stuff, or you buy the same thing. Then you're like, oh, I had this and like I didn't know I had this. I went to buy the same thing. So once you organize your wardrobe very well, you're able to see what you have, what you don't have, and even when you're in bed, you can see and know that okay, I can wear this and that. It makes life easier. Once you declutter and organize your wardrobe, it makes you feel so put together already. You fold the things that need to be folded, you iron those that need to be ironed, and then you hang it in your wardrobe nicely. It makes you plan your outfits effortlessly. That brings me to point number 2. Plan your outfits weekly or monthly. I would say do it weekly. You choose a day, maybe on a Sunday or on a Saturday when you are not so busy. You plan your outfits. You plan how you look between Monday to Friday or Monday to Saturday. Okay. You think through your outfits, then you combine your colors. I usually use Pinterest. Pinterest is so helpful. You just go to Pinterest and then you type in, depending on what you have. If you have jeans, you can type in how to style your jeans. If you have skirts, dresses, you can type in all those things. Pinterest is very helpful. That's what I use to organize myself. You plan your wigs, you combine the colors. I think I've mentioned that already. That way, there's no tension when you are running late somewhere. There's no tension. Like you don't choose your outfits with tension, and then you are never caught off guard. This particular tip is so helpful even when you are running late. You don't just pick anything and move because you have planned what you're going to wear already. Okay, so it helps you dress up fast and you always show up looking polished and put together. My next point is to exercise and eat healthy. Exercising does a lot to your body. See, once you look fit, everything you put on your body looks nice. I don't know if you have noticed. Once you look fit and then you feel good from within, whatever you put on your body looks good. You have to make it a point to be eating healthy as well. As an elegant lady, you can't just eat anything at all. You have to make it a point. Know what's good for your health, what's not good for your health, what's good for your skin, what's not good for your skin. For me, my skin took a different turn when I stopped eating certain foods. Like when I cut out dairy or I limited it, my skin just went over the roof. No, no, but like my skin game improved. So make it a point to be exercising. You can go for walks, you can skip, you can do some squats. Squats actually makes your backside well shaped and rounded, and anything you put on looks nice. Trust me. I think I've said trust me quite a lot anyway. Yeah. So that is it. Last time I spoke about skincare, and I forgot to mention that you need to exfoliate. Exfoliating is like a major part of your skincare, so you have to exfoliate even if it's once a week. Just make it a point to be exfoliating. As soon as you start recording, it feels like you can't even talk. Yeah. So exfoliate. The next point is keep the branded items very minimal. Keep branded items to the barest minimum. So you see someone, they look good, all right, they look good, but then their belt is Gucci, their bag is Gucci, their shirt is Gucci, their everything Gucci. Like, why are you a marketing agent for Gucci? As in, you can look so expensive and then end up looking cheap. You don't have to wear all designers from head to toe. Even if you want to wear uh, designer outfits, don't wear the ones that the brands are so like. Then you end up looking like a billboard. You end up looking like a billboard, and it's not nice. Anybody who sees you will be wondering, what's up with this guy? So the branded items, keep it to the barest minimum. Like if you wear a Gucci shirt, make sure that the rest of your outfit is not so it's not branded. I don't know how to explain this point for you to get it, but then those who get it, get it. One thing that I always tell myself is less is more. Trust me, it's not like I don't like designers. I do. I have quite a few. Hey, do I? Anyways, less is more. You don't have to wear all your designers at once, one at a time, one at a time. But if you put all of them together, hey, you begin to look like a billboard or a marketing agent, or you've not seen these things before, so you're just going to wear all, or it looks some kind of way. Anyways, so yeah, less is more. Another thing to note is to keep your handbags and accessories in good condition. Mm. Sometimes you look so nice, and then your handbag, the leather or the fabric or something on your handbag doesn't look so nice. Like it can easily give you away. So your handbags, make sure you keep them well, you keep them in good condition, so that it doesn't give you a -5. And your accessories as well. If you're using a scarf, make sure the scarf is not dirty. It is well ironed. It's in good form. It's supposed to add to your beauty. It's not supposed to take away from you. So if you are going to accessorize yourself with something that is going to take away from you, it defeats the whole purpose of you using it. So make sure that your handbags, your accessories, they are all kept in good condition, so you can throw them on anytime and it will add to your beauty. 10 plus 10 minus nothing. Another important thing to do is to give your look a lift. Make sure you have some heels in your wardrobe and know which shoes go with which outfit. And please don't go and buy those heels that you cannot walk in. Oh. The one that if you walk small, if you don't take time, somebody has to hold you, you go and fall down. Or the one that where you wear, you be walking like a double double. No, not those ones. Get comfortable heels that you can walk in and be elegant. Okay. Sometimes you can just wear a simple outfit, but once you add on a shoe like with just a little heel, maybe 2 inches, it makes you look elevated, like you're popping. You're popping. It will start giving rich auntie vibe. The last point I want to add is to work on your posture and body carriage. How you walk, how you sit, how you talk, all that add to you being an elegant lady. When you enter a room, don't be timid. Even if you are shy. For me, I'm a very shy girl, but of late you can't tell me that. I mean, I had to work on it. You don't enter a room with your hands in between your thigh, like in between, like tucked inside you like this, and then you are walking. No, please enter the room like you are supposed to be there, like you are the madam. You are, and then when you sit, sit like you are Bill Gates' daughter. Hmm? Cross your leg, you know, fake it till you make it. Even if you can't, even if you don't know how to do it, fake it till you make it. You have to carry yourself well. Carry yourself like a lady, so that anybody approaching you will know that, hey, I have to come correct. If not, this one, she looks like she won't take it. Yeah. So if you don't know how to do that, you have a mirror in your room. You can always practice how you talk, how you walk, how you sit, how you transact business. You have to you have to learn these things. There's one thing I want to add. In my previous video, I spoke about your nails and keeping it short and keeping it like nude and French and all that. I want to add that red red nails also look very very nice. Red polish, it looks so nice as long as it's short and it's decent. Red, pinks, white. There are colors that are feminine colors that look so good, and it makes you look elegant and polished as well. Okay, I just wanted to note that before you guys forget. I don't know how many tips I have shared so far, but I'm trying to keep all my videos short. So let me know in the comment section if you want a part 3, if you want more of these tips. I have more that I can share. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.